Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you oven roasted honey chicken wings, and it's very tasty and very delicious recipe and very easy to make. Everyone going to like it. You can serve it any time of the day. This is the best chicken appetizer. I have a 5-pound chicken wings, half cup honey, 1 teaspoon garlic ginger powder, 1 teaspoon anardana powder, pomegranate seed. That's going to give us a little tangy flavor. You can substitute with mango powder or lemon juice. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili flake, and oil, 1 tablespoon each. And let's start marinating the chicken wings. Get a mixing bowl and I'll bring honey, garlic powder, anardana powder, ginger powder, salt, red chili flakes, and oil. Now we're going to mix them well. This is going to be our marination. Once all the spices are combined with the honey, I'll bring the chicken wings. And now we're going to mix it well with honey. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to marinate for 2 hours. So I'm going to put it in the fridge. The chicken wings are marinated for 2 hours. I just took it out of the fridge. This is how they look. And prior to putting in on a tray, we're going to mix it one more time. I'll get my tray and I'll lay out all the chicken wings on top of the tray. Once all the chicken wings are nicely placed on the tray, spread it evenly, and now we're going to place it in our oven. I have my oven preheated at 500 degree Fahrenheit, which is 260 degree Celsius. I have water boiling in the tray, and I'm going to place the tray on top. Before you open it, be careful, it's going to be hot. So I'm going to place the tray right on top of it. So be careful, don't burn yourself. And we're going to close it. We're going to cook for 30 minutes on this side. After 30 minutes, we're going to turn them over, and we're going to cook additional 10 minutes. And within 40 minutes, they're going to be done, and they're going to be most juicy, tender, honey glazed chicken you're going to have it. If you haven't tried with the water, please try it, and you're going to like it. It's exactly half an hour cooking on 500 degree Fahrenheit at 260 degrees Celsius. Be careful when you open it, and real quick, I'm going to turn these over. Just like this, look at this. The nice honey glazed turned into beautiful color. Once all the pieces are turned over, now we're going to close it and we're going to cook additional 10 minutes. Cooking for additional 10 minutes, altogether 40 minutes. Honey glazed chicken is all nicely done. I'm going to turn off the oven, and now we're going to let it sit another 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's cooled down, then I'm going to take it out. We waited for another 10 minutes and it's still hot, so be careful. And I'm going to take it out. Look at these. They are so delicious, honey glazed, and look at these. They are super moist, and I'm going to take it out and I'm going to share with you. Oven roasted honey glazed chicken wings. They are so tasty and so delicious. They are super tender, super juicy and moist. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.